Hello everybody and welcome to this very strange X-Files. Today I'm doing cleaning work at my dad's office of workplace, and here I am seeing a very strange, this is about a very strange review of one of their vacuum cleaners. It's an Vax Air Steerable Max. But it definitely looks a bit damaged. It is, of course, a cousin to my friend Oliver's Vax Air Living. But it looks like it's missing a bit. Being steerable means that it can move side to side, and it looks like it's already been damaged because there's some foil that's replacing something in the brush bar. Of course, it has a very big bin, and as you can see there's already dust in it, but it looks like it, and when you look at it from the back, it looks as if it's been robbed of parts. Over here was supposed to be like a crevice dusting tool, and this of course is an extension part, because when you release it, it's a wand. And of course this is a long stretch hose. This, as I said, is an extension. And of course a lot of other stuff is missing. Of course from here there's a floor bit here of the house. And of course that comes out there, and that connects the wand bit here. If I just show you now what I'm talking about. So yeah, it's supposed to connect up like that, and then you're supposed to release the wand and then be able to do some hard to reach places and stuff whilst having a long hose. But of course Mr. Oliver did have like some kind of armbands on his to keep things in place. I don't know why, because all it needs is basically this clip here. So yeah, it is this of course is a very strange sighting indeed. Hang on, I'll just so yeah, this is of course this is what it is. It's a model U88AMMBE with a wattage of 750 watts, same as my Dyson, but I guess my Dyson's louder than this because this this vacuum, because there was like a little problem with it, with the suction. But of course it all goes with a 240 volt with a frequency of 50 hertz. Not sure if that means 50 decibels or if it has around about 68-72 decibels in this cleaner. But and of course it has been used, so it is in an alright nick, but it has got some damage, as I said. So thank you for watching this Strange X-Files, and I'll see you next time. Science! Hello everybody and welcome to my X-Files part 2 of this strange thing. Is to do a demonstration on this vacuum cleaner called the Air Steerable Max. It is, of course, as I say, the brother of the other brother of Mr. Oliver's Vax Air Living, and it sounds the same thing. So let's do it. Ready for vacuum? It has steerable technology, which has a bit like how Mr. Dyson's Steerable works. And as you can see, this is the house. As you can hear, very powerful suction is at work. And a very, very powerful door. You can hear the sound of it. I am now going to attempt to work this out and get the dirt from the edges. I will show you how it effortlessly cleans away this mud pile over here. Here comes the next test. A real clean pass. Real clean So yeah, what a very good vacuum cleaner indeed. So of course, all that is the end of the demonstration. So thank you for watching my X-Files and see you next time. Science! Hello and welcome to the fun part of my X-Files. I am doing a mess test. Yes, I'm using the Vax Air Steerable because I've done it with my Miele CX1 Blizzard. Stand by, I am a professional. On the right side is some dirt for the main head, and the other is bigger particles for the house. Ready for the vacuum? Sadly, I'm going to have to say that that's a fail, so, but it did pick up about half the stuff. So thank you for watching my X-Files and see you next time, Stugheads. Hello everybody and welcome to my X-Files again. I am going to show you how many stairs this vacuum can go down whilst vacuuming the stairs. So I am thinking of putting an X camera covering the entire stairwell. It's not going to work there, so it's going to have to be like some, like over here for example. Okay, so of course I'll be careful. Hard when you don't have any food. Okay, so I say that's about 11 stairs that you can clean. So of course for the next one, thank you for watching my X-Files. I'll see you next time for the next part of this. Okay. Hello and welcome to the final part of my X-Files. I am now going to be cleaning this entire room where there's not really much obstacles apart from having to maybe move some things, but we'll do the main area first. Of course, we're ready for the vacuum! Oh, that was a big something. Oh. Okay, there is one final part I just want to show you, which is of course down the corridor how it can charge down a corridor. So I'll see you in the next part of my X-Files. Suck it! Hello everybody and welcome to the final part of this X-Files special edition today. The last thing to do is how the vacuum is going to attack this two-way system, which is basically 2 ways of long corridors, of course. So yeah, this is a long corridor this vacuum is going to do for the final part of the demonstration. So yeah, in the dust compartment today, we have captured a bit of some dust, of course, a little bit of fine dust. We've got some dirt and of course in Steerable, but I think it has been quite used a lot of why the vacuum was on the maximum line when it was cleaned up. So thank you, vacuum lovers. If of course you've got an Air Steerable Max or any Vax Air Living, I think you are all looking at a really nice Hoover modern Hoover that Vax made. So thank you for watching my X-Files and see you next time. Suck it!